Hey guys, so I have a new hair and makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. So yes, we're going to be going from this to that. And if you're new, my name is Nola Viva. Here I show you how to do natural hair stuff, makeup, some lifestyle thrown in there. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also be sure to thumbs this video up if you truly enjoyed it, and also share it with your friends and family as well. That truly helps me out. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So my hair, I'm starting out with my hair. This was straightened prior, so I'm gonna brush out my edges. But once it's in a position that you like, I kind of like to put it not directly on the top of my head and not too far back, but basically I guess like in the middle. Go ahead and get your hair in a ponytail. I'm gonna separate this in two pieces. I'm then gonna go ahead and twist one part, and then I'm gonna wrap it around like this. I'm gonna take a bobby pin and then just go ahead and add that in, and then basically do the same thing to the other side. Twist it, wrap it around. So for the back, the part that's going to be hanging down, I'm going to be using my clip-ins. And if you don't have like actual clip-on extensions, and you just have some regular extensions that you would like to use, you could definitely do that. You can buy little clips from your local beauty supply store and literally just clip it on. So I'm adding a clip-in that has 3 clips on it, and I start at the very bottom. I'm going to add another one, and I'm going to make sure it's very close to the other clip-in, because I don't like a bunch of space in between my hair when you're looking at it from the front. So I've added 3 3-part clip-ins. Now I'm going to add 2 4-part clip-ins. And when I get on the side, I like to go like downward behind my ear as opposed to just going straight across, because it just makes it look more appealing. And there we go. Alright, so look what's back, y'all. This is my drawstring ponytail. I'm gonna take this and I'm literally just gonna pop it right on top with the string part showing in the front. Pull the string so it's nice and tight, and then I'm gonna take this little piece right here. I'm gonna go ahead and basically wrap this around and cover up that string, and I'm gonna go ahead and just basically secure that. I take like this fabric and I tie it around. Alright, so yeah, there we go. So let's get into getting these edges together and this sleek down a little bit better. So I'm going to be using Thank God It's Natural Edge Control, and I'm also going to be using the Got2b Glue Gel. So I'm going to take my little edge brush here and I'm going to grab a little bit out. Well, that much. I don't know if you're going to cut it out a little bit, but I'm going to use this much, and I'm going to just basically layer that on where I'm going to do my edges. So once I layer it on, I'm going to actually use the comb part to go ahead and start to try to basically shape it. So then I take whatever's left, the excess, and go ahead and put that on the edge as well of where my hair is starting to go back. And so basically just comb all the way up as well into like the ponytail. Got2b Glue Gel, I put that right on top so that it literally keeps it there. So for the rest of the hair, I'm going to use this Thank God It's Natural Miracle Repair Anti-Breakage Serum. This has like a nice subtle shine in it. It has black honey and coconut oil in it. So I like to use this to add a very beautiful shine to the hair. Alright guys, so this is the final look with my hair completely done, edges laid, full of volume. I am gonna try some extensions from Amazon. I want to buy like the wefts and make a wig that I can also tear the hair off and do hairstyles like this. So definitely stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see that video because it's definitely gonna be worth it. I'm gonna find something really good for us. So again guys, please be sure to give my video a thumbs up and please share it with your friends and family. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.